Is the Amazon affiliate program worth it in this new year? With crazy competition and low commission rates, do you think you can really make money with the Amazon affiliate program? Now, let's uncover the truth. So the truth is, the Amazon affiliate program is 100% worth it. I have personal experience with it because it's something I have done and I have experience with. And even though the commissions are low, but it does build up. It does build up. And if you get what I'm going to talk about in this video, you will definitely get results from the Amazon Associates program. And so the first thing to do basically is to choose a niche. And when I talk about choosing a niche, I mean choose a product to sell. And that product must be a product that is in high demand, something that people actually want to buy. It can range from mattress, it can be combs, it can be anything that people use at home, that they use at workplace. All the products they have there, check them and choose one that you want to market. And so choose a niche. That's the first step. The second step is create content around that niche. And so what we mean is you're going to create reviews, product reviews. You're going to review products. You're going to write shopping guides, like ultimate buying guide for such a product, or compare one product to the other in the same niche. And so basically your content can be text, it can be video, it can be audio, and so you can also have a combination of all of them, because you know your audience will have preferences when it comes to information consumption. And so having them in video, audio, and text format helps anybody with a different preference to be able to consume your content. And so create content around that niche. That is the second step. The third step is create a blog or social media page. That is where you will be posting your content. And so it can be a free social media page, it can be a blog, whatever you choose. Just go ahead and create it. It will be the home for your content. So once you have done that, you create a posting schedule. How many times you want to be posting? You can decide whether you want to post once a day, once a week, or depending on what time you have available in your hands. For instance, if you're doing it as a side hustle, you will know that you might not be able to put in too much time. Okay, but if you want to do it full time, then you have to go full blast with it. So create a posting schedule that works for you. And then the next step is insert your Amazon affiliate links. When you join the Amazon affiliate program, you will sign up. When you sign up, they will give you a link that is special to you. So when people click that link to purchase, they know they came from you, and so the money goes into your account. And so you've got to insert the affiliate links in your content. You have to find a wise way of doing it that people will be able to click it in several places. You don't have to put it once. In one piece of content, you can put it like 3-4 times in a wise manner and a smart way. And so insert your Amazon affiliate link so that people can purchase through your link. And last but not the least, promote your blog or social media page for visibility so that people will know that that page exists. Because if you're just there, it will be like winking in the dark. Nobody will know you are there. But when you start promoting your page, your blog, people will know you are there, and then they will come to purchase. Of course, you can also use what we call SEO, search engine optimization. For those of you who decide to use a blog, you can use search engine optimization, which means people who are searching through the search engines can land on your blog. And so your content basically can be like, for instance, if you were into mattresses, you can have content on best mattresses under $100, best mattresses for pregnant women, best mattresses for children. Those kind of content, that's what basically you are going to be writing. It will be centered around the product you are promoting. And so go ahead and make it happen. I hope this video helped you. If it did, share it with a friend and do let me know in the comments.